Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step method on how to export videos from public groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. By the end, you'll know exactly how to back up or save those videos directly to your computer with just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is running, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu, where you can explore different options. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll find several sections, but what we want is under the Advanced tab. Click on Advanced to see the tools that allow you to manage data and storage options. Now, scroll down until you come across the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that lets you back up specific content from your Telegram account. Within the export settings, you'll see a list of categories to choose from. What we want here is public groups, so make sure only the public groups box is checked. This ensures that Telegram will only prepare the data related to public groups and not your private chats or contacts. After that, scroll down a bit further. You'll see different types of media that you can include in your export. Place a check mark only on videos, since that's exactly what we're focusing on. Once everything is selected properly, click on the export button to start the process. Depending on the size of your data, the export might take a few moments. When it's finished, a button will appear that says, Show My Data. Click on that, and Telegram will open a folder on your PC containing all of the videos you exported from the public groups. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely export videos from public groups on Telegram without any confusion. If this guide helped you, make sure to save it for later so you can repeat the process whenever you need. Thanks for watching.